diplomats and all the embassies in India as well as in Africa. So they cover about 54 countries.
So my first question is, what is your vision for African market with Forma?
When we were selling Ace tractors, we realized that people in Africa prefer European brands. They have more confidence on that. So we had this company, Forma, in Europe. So we said, why not get that technology, introduce it in the tractor, and then give it to the African people. So that is why we brought this tractor, and we hope to be number one very soon because of the reliability, quality, pricing. As you have seen, all electronics. Because a farmer, just has to press a button and the service will be done to him. He doesn't have to call, he doesn't have to wait, there's not going to be any breakdown time. So considering that, we introduced this Forma brand there.
Be a great aid for African market.
Yes, that is the idea.
Ace has exclusively dealers in Africa already.
Yeah.
So what, can you just share like how Forma is going to maintain its product life cycle over there, and how it will expand in African market?
See, a tractor is a machine that requires regular maintenance, periodic service, like filter change, oil change, and it's a machine, so it requires repairs. So we are not just selling and going away. Wherever we take the tractor, we first ensure we have a very reliable dealer, and he's capable of sending people for training how to maintain the machine. He has to stock parts so that tomorrow if a tractor breaks down, they don't have to come all the way India se jaldi bhejo. So that is the problem. So we ensure that parts are there, the service training is there, so that the tractor is well maintained. And so with that we are already successful, and with Forma brand we will be going further. And like I told you, we may in future, seeing that the volumes, we may even help some countries setting up the assembly plant, because exporting from anywhere, containers and all that, so we can set an assembly plant there. So that then in that case it's very simple for the people, because when they assemble they know the product. Servicing, maintenance, everything will be available with them.
So apart from all the competition, how Forma is going to be a standalone product in a continent like Africa?
See, competition is something that is very good, because that helps in increasing the quality. As soon as one company becomes a monopoly, they stop looking at the customers. They think hamara hi bikega, we'll be the one to sell. So we don't do that. We want the competition to be there, so we can present a product which we can compare and show that it's a good product, that it is a value for money product comparatively. So that is the whole idea. So we are sure, we are not worried of competition. Even the parent company Ace was not worried of competition. Today also Ace is only competing against multinationals. Liebherr, Potain, Manitowoc, we compete and we win. We got 60% market here. And Africa basically also is a developing country. I'm sure they want this type of products. They don't want products which are very expensive and are not viable. And an Indian product developed with European guts is definitely going to be a success.
So my last question for you is, the technologies used for this newly product which is launched today, please share how this new technology can help acquire share in the African market.
If a farmer finds that he can easily get the service with just one press of button,
with the GPRS,
and all that provided to him, so automatically it will be a success. Then when he finds that if I buy another brand of tractor, it's costing me so many dollars, here I'm getting a product at a reasonable price, he'll definitely come. That is the idea. Like in India, we want to give people, Indian products at a reasonable price, value for money products. That's the whole aim of this company.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.